We interviewed a number of people and asked them whether they thought there was anything in common between a picture of a bee, the Parthenon and a snail. So Katie, so Marcus, so Mel, what do pictures have in common?
I have no idea.
I don't know, like nature?
Well, they all have Fibonacci numbers in common.
What are Fibonacci numbers?
Okay, so the Fibonacci numbers. This sequence begins with 0 and 1. The next number in the sequence is calculated by adding the previous two numbers together. So 0 and 1 gets 1, 1 and 1 is 2, 1 and 2 is 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. Algebraically, this is done by f of n plus 1 equals f of n plus f of n minus 1.
But Mike, what's so special about these numbers?
Well, if we take the calculation of f of n over f of n minus 1, as n gets increasingly larger, this number will tend to what is known as the golden ratio, which is 1.618. Using the golden ratio, we can create a very natural yet unique pattern known as the golden spiral. As the spiral turns around in a circle, its radius increases by a factor of the golden ratio. Using this, we can approximately draw the centre of certain flowers, such as a sunflower. Each spiral is identical, but each one has different starting points, and half turn clockwise while half turn anti-clockwise. We can also use Python to find out about Fibonacci numbers and the golden ratio. This graph shows that as n gets larger, f of n over f of n minus 1 gets very close to the golden ratio.
But Mike, what's the golden ratio used for?
This can be actually seen in nature as the ratio between the spirals in shells is the golden ratio. Also in the human body, the ratio between the length of the hand and the length of the foot is the golden ratio.
Fibonacci imagined an ideal scenario where two rabbits are in a field. He decided that it took 1 month for the rabbits to mature, and then a further month for them to be born.
Starting with one pair of immature rabbits at 0 months. 1 month on, the rabbits mature, and at 2 months, the pair produce some offspring. So now there are 2 pairs in the field. At 3 months, there are now 2 pairs of mature rabbits and 1 pair of offspring rabbits. Going on, we see a familiar pattern forming. The number of pairs of rabbits in the field each month is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on.
We hope you'll agree that the Fibonacci numbers provide an interesting insight into number patterns occurring in nature.
For further information and more detail on this, please give our report a read. Thank you for watching.